Pedagogy Tutors. Click on Become a Tutor. You can make use of the top or bottom buttons. Complete the registration form. Include your identity document, relevant qualification, and academic transcript. Don't forget to select the teaching phase you would like to tutor in. Check your email for a verification notice. Click on the link sent to you via email to complete the registration process. Your registration process is now complete. Please be patient while we verify your documentation and process your information. Click on Go to Dashboard to view your account. Your status will show pending until we approve your application. As soon as your application is approved, you will receive a notification via email. Congratulations! Log into your account on the Pedagogy website. Click on the Tutor Login button. Sign in with your username or email and password. Your account is now set up. Manage your profile and account from your new dashboard. You can now add new courses to start tutoring. Change your settings to personalize your account.